weight loss peptide is right for you? AOD 9604 versus semaglutide. Hi, I'm Stephanie Wolf, the leading sexual wellness expert here in Studio City, California at the Novus Center. Obesity remains a global health crisis, with 74% of US adults being overweight and 42% being morbidly obese. Obesity increases your risk not only of type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, cardiovascular disease, cancer risk, but most importantly to you, erectile dysfunction. Remember, your erections are a byproduct of all of these other risk factors. So it's very important that we get control of not only your weight, but also your diabetes, and control your blood pressure, control your cholesterol. I'm here to help you decide which one is right for you. AOD 9604 is a peptide fragment of the human growth hormone, otherwise called the anti-obesity drug. This peptide has been around since the 1990s and is known for its use with fat metabolism. It helps break down fat lipolysis, fat oxidation, and again, moving stored fat into circulation. So it has nothing to do with insulin resistance or increasing your IGF-1 or even helping with bone or joint health as the human growth hormone does. Now, there are other peptides that we use to promote human growth hormone, such as Semorlin or CJC, and I have done another video discussing those in great detail. And the question I always get from patients is, if I choose to do AOD 9604, can I also take my other peptides, Semorlin and or CJC? And the answer is yes, you can, because they are doing two different mechanisms, even though they're both coming from that human growth hormone. Now, with AOD 9604, you do have to use it every single day. So it is a subcutaneous injection, which means you are using a small insulin syringe, or what I like to call a Botox needle, and you're just injecting right underneath the skin. So you can do this in the tummy. I have some patients do it in their buttocks, some patients that do it in their shoulder, wherever you feel most comfortable injecting yourself, but it is a daily injection. I always recommend that these patients inject their AOD 9604 first thing in the morning so that you can start moving that fat around in the system so you feel full longer, which is then going to reduce your caloric intake. Also, I must mention that if you are going to have any side effects with AOD 9604, it strictly is from the injection. You can get some swelling, some bruising, some people will get some itching or redness that will go away. As far as the other side effects, you can have some feeling of fullness, which some people will think of it as a little bit of nausea. Some people will have some headaches with it, perhaps a little bit of constipation or diarrhea because you are disrupting that fat metabolism. Nothing like the semaglutide. Semaglutide is a GLP-1 agonist, otherwise known as a glucagon-like peptide agonist. This is actually a hormone that's produced in your intestines. This GLP-1 agonist, or semaglutide, was discovered around 2012 and is FDA approved for the treatment of type 2 diabetes, as well as most recently for weight loss. So since semaglutide is a hormone that's produced in your intestines, it has receptors on 3 different organ sites, one of them being your pancreas, your intestines, and your brain. And all 3 of these organs are going to stimulate a different response. For example, when you are taking the GLP-1 agonist or the semaglutide on the pancreas, it's going to increase the amount of insulin that your pancreas is going to secrete. By increasing this amount of insulin, it's going to help regulate your sugars, which is how it works for type 2 diabetes. In your intestines, it's going to slow your gastric emptying. So what that means is it's going to enhance these stretch receptors in the intestines to make you feel like the food is still in there and that you don't have any more room for any other food. And then the last part is the brain. When the GLP-1 agonist is attaching to the brain receptors, it tells the brain that you're full, that you don't need to be eating anymore. So you're going to reduce the amount of calories that you're intaking. When you're reducing the amount of calories you're intaking, you're reducing your gastric emptying, and then you're increasing the amount of insulin that you're secreting. It's no wonder that it helps with type 2 diabetes as well as weight loss. Now, how is semaglutide administered? Unlike AOD 9604, this is only a once-a-week injection. It still is subcutaneous, which means that you will be using this insulin insulin needle, or what I like to think of as a Botox needle, and you're injecting the medication right underneath the skin. Now you can do this in your love handles, your buttock, your thigh. I have some patients who do it in the shoulder. So what are the side effects of the peptide semaglutide? Well, I want to be very clear with this that when I'm talking about the peptide semaglutide, I am not talking about the Ozempics or the Wegovy's or the Zepbounds or the Mounjaros. Those are two totally different medications. When I'm talking about the peptide semaglutide, what I've seen in my practice is patients will still have some nausea, they may have diarrhea or constipation, they might have some headaches, they could also feel fatigued. But that's about the extent. And for the most part, these patients will have these side effects anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks, and then they subside and they go about their life. Whereas this part of it, which is the Ozempics, the Wegovy's, the Mounjaros, the Zepbounds, these are a little bit different medications. They are pharmaceutical medications. And so their side effects are going to be alopecia or hair falling out. They can have muscle wasting. They definitely can have some vomiting and some nausea, diarrhea, constipation, headaches, fatigue. I've also had some patients who've had to undergo surgery to repair their gastric emptying because it wasn't allowing them to move the food through. So I just want you to know and understand all the different side effects when you're comparing AOD 9604 peptide versus the semaglutide peptide versus the pharmaceutical Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, Zepbound medications. Totally different medications, different peptides. So if you want to learn more about which one is right for you, then give us a call here at the Novus Center and let us help you decide which weight loss drug is right for you.